Math quest. Adding up to 10. Question 1. 1 plus 1 equals 1. B. 2. C. 3. Let's count it together. 1 chicken plus 1 chicken equals 2 chickens. Correct answer B. Question 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. B. 4. C. 5. Let's count it together.
1 second.
Ho, ho, ho!
Plus
2 Santas.
Ho, ho, ho!
equals
3 Santas.
Ho, ho, ho!
Correct answer C.
Ho, ho!
question 3. 1 plus 3 equals 2. B. 3. C. 4. Let's count it together. 1 apple plus 3 apples equals 4 apples. Correct answer C. Useful table for adding up to 10. 1 plus 1 equals 2, 1 plus 2 equals 3, 1 plus 3 equals 4, 1 plus 4 equals 5, 1 plus 5 equals 6, 1 plus 6 equals 7, 1 plus 7 equals 8, 1 plus 8 equals 9, 1 plus 9 equals 10.
2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10.
3 plus 3 equals 6, 3 plus 4 equals 7, 3 plus 5 equals 8, 3 plus 6 equals 9, 3 plus 7 equals 10.
4 plus 4 equals 8. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 4 plus 6 equals 10.
5 plus 5, 10.